In this video, we'll guide you through the process of changing the board thickness, ensuring your machine operates efficiently for different material sizes. One of the standout features is the welded toolbar, which requires absolutely no adjustment. Each tool holder is identical except for the measuring tab in blade assembly, designed for specific material thicknesses: 1 inch, 1.5 inches, or 2 inches. Always use separate tool holder sets for each material thickness. This will save time and ensure precise grooving. An arrow inside each end of the machine indicates the proper gap settings: 1 inch for 1 inch thick board, 1.5 inches for 1.5 inch thick board, and 2 inches for 2 inch thick board. Check the gauge to make sure the machine is correctly set for the thickness of the board to be grooved. To adjust the gap for other thicknesses, follow these steps carefully. Using an open end or crescent wrench, turn the roller adjustment screw located on both ends of the machine. Turning the screw clockwise will increase the gap, while turning it counterclockwise will decrease it. Adjust the roller gap to the desired setting. Never raise one end by more than 1/2 inch at a time before moving to the opposite end and repeating the process. Repeat these adjustments at both ends of the machine to ensure consistent spacing and to avoid unnecessary stress on the roller bearings. With the roller gap adjusted and the appropriate tool holder in place, your machine is now ready to groove boards of your selected thickness. To learn more about blade adjustments and procedures, consult the operator's manual. For more tips, tutorials, or technical service, visit our website or contact CertainTeed Machine Works.